Strikeforce requested for us to take a look at in detail. That is what we're doing right now. Currently at 0180. The last time that we went through this stock is going to be on the 14th. It would have been Good Friday. The market was closed, and then it opened on the 17th. Huge gap down right there. And I put on there, it said, watch, if volume does not pick up and breaks 0235, we'll tap 20-day simple moving average. Okay, so I said right here that if the volume didn't pick up, it would go down to the 20-day simple moving average. But I did not think that it would do anything what we see here. I don't know. Hopefully Joe can add in here and we can figure out what happened here for this big move down. So again, this is why I always say with these big candles, look at that. There was nothing in between there at all besides that candle. With that being said, look at what happened. It just essentially right there was nothing in this box line. With that being said, keep in mind that with the right volume, this thing could pop up just as quick. Could be setting up for that right now, but I didn't see that coming. So again, I mean, what else can you add? So it did get down, blew past all them support levels that I put in there. Every one of them, even the 02. Right now, the 30-day simple moving average is currently at 0173, and you guys are plowing right past that one, hitting a little bit of a resistance level that we see over here as well at 0180. The next one off of that's going to be the 20 and the 10. But again, like I said, with that big candle there, this can go right back up. I mean, really quick. And, you know, we've talked about this many times in all different stocks. But we're going to watch this continue. It looks like it did find that bottom over here once it broke through that 30-day down to 0123, rather. I'm sorry. But it's starting to rebound here, and the volume is picking up. It looks like it might be returning them gains that it are the returning the losses, okay, by rebounding back up. So that's all I'm going to add with this one right now. We're going to continue to watch this. I think it's starting to rebound right now, and it can move up very quick. See what Joe has to add as well. It's been, let me take a look. Yeah, the last time that we went through this one together was actually on 4-7.
Okay, so they had a press release on April 17th, 2017. It was Strikeforce Technologies reports on the State of the Union. So, state of the company, we are proud to announce that our recent December 31st, 2016 year-end 10K shows revenues of $384,289 versus our December 31st, 2015 year-end revenues of $271,559. This is an increase of $112,730 or 41.5%. The increase in revenues was due to the increase in demand for our product ID or Protect ID, Guarded ID, and Mobile Trust security software maintenance and support sales. Mediation took place in May 2015 to discuss a potential settlement of our out-of-band authentication patents, and on January 15, 2016, the parties reached a settlement in the matter. As part of the settlement, the company received a payment in January 2016 of a substantial amount. This year, we also announced that 7 new patent litigations, all based on our 3 out-of-band authentication patents, were initiated by our 2 law firms, Blank Rome LLP and Ropes and Gray LLP. So customer markets, 2017 is our year for potential meaningful revenues, especially through our channel partners that we are already working with. Many sizable companies, Strikeforce should minimally realize their results in the second half of this year. This year, we also have progressed with our retail consumer sales through those we listed on social media, and our new TV airing this month for Guarded ID and Mobile Trust, with all leading to possibly strong success in 2017. We're now growing in an enterprise and retail markets in a big way and are on target to sell licenses for all of our products. In summary, Strikeforce projects 2017 to be our year, for which we are increasing in enterprise and retail sales as cyber theft and data breaches increase greatly and now being taken much more seriously by all. The projected increase is also based on documented cybersecurity increased budgets across all markets. So that's the latest press release right there. I mean, in regards to it, said how they're making TV airings and everything else. Their last press release after that was on April 11th, and they were on Home Shopping Network on April 15th. So a few days ago, they were on Home Shopping Network with their products. So that's that. So if you want to go through and read their filings, just go right over to the SFOR board, and you'll see the filings right there, right under filings, and the recent news as well. And if you have an opinion on the company, feel free to share it with the tens of thousands of like-minded investors that we have using the site daily by posting right over there on the SFOR board on Investors Hangout.
That's right, Strikeforce. That's what we're looking at right now. What Joe was just going over with the recent news, completely free here on Investors Hangout. Look at the recent news for this stock and all stocks. All you got to do is hit the headline, and then boom. I mean, like I said before, you guys could cover a lot of ground, a lot of news, a lot of stocks super fast with that feature over here, completely free. And then with the time and sales that we're looking at right now, like I always say, one of my favorites with the time, price, and volume. Back in the day, this is one thing that I used to use all the time, especially if you trade right now and you don't have level 2 or you work all day, you can come home and see every single trade, the exact time, price, and volume. Super useful tool. Back on the chart right now, you guys are at 0176. We looked at it first, it was at 0179. I said bouncing strong off the 0123 support. Resistance at 0180, 0205, and 0230. Support at 0173 and 0123. Could move up fast if buying continues strong. Again, this is one we're going to be watching for that rebound with Strikeforce, SFOR. If you follow this one, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already and hit that like button. And all we ever ask is that you get out there and share this video. If you get out there and share this video with all other investors on different stock message boards, stock forums, and social networks, the more you share it, the more it's requested. The more it's requested, the more we cover it. We'll cover it every single day if it's requested that much. It's just how we kind of do it here on Investors Hangout. If you'd like to join in on our live stream, you can join us at investorshangout.com/live.